You'll never be mine. I like the way your body moves. I like the way you spread confusion. I like the way my heart is blooming. On. You'll never.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's Airy Fairy here, and I'm coming at you with another look. So since Coachella is coming up, I did this inspired Coachella look I'm loving, and I decided to bring my boo out today. Just because it is Coachella, I wanted to do something different. I do own 2 wigs. If you do want to see like a wig video, know in the comments below. I'm not too familiar with wigs, but I can do some research for you guys. I do love them. You don't have to dye your hair. It's just something fun, funky to do. I'm really loving this look. Not going to Coachella. If I was going, I'd be wearing this. If you do like these themed looks, let me know in the comments below because I will keep doing them. I try to change it up since I have been doing something similar on my channel. I try to do some color for you guys. Just to change it up a little bit. So if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel. I do have a lot of different videos coming up. I do want some ideas, so if you guys just comment down below, just let me know what you want to see next. Enjoy!
Hey guys, let's get started. As always, I'm starting off with the Mario Badescu spray, and I did my eyebrows off camera, so if you just click the link on the right, that'll show you how I do my eyebrows. And now I'm just putting Lay and Low paint pot all over my eyes to prime them, and going in with my favorite eyeshadow, Saddle. To add some fun color to this look, I'm taking Makeup Geek Duchess, and I'm putting that in the crease, and I'm winging it out just to kind of create a winged effect with the eyeshadow. I'm just really blending out that eyeshadow to make it look more blown out, and now I'm taking a Q-tip to sharpen that line. And going in with a smaller pointer brush, I'm just taking the same color and just carving my crease a little bit more.
And you made me better, but I made you feel brand new. All the feels that you're feeling, staring at your ceiling, wondering what I'm up to.
Next, this is Cube from the Anastasia Subculture palette. I really like how it's an iridescent pink, so I really thought it would go well with this look. Now I'm taking Makeup Geek Wisteria. It's a really nice light purple shade, and I'm just adding it to the outer corner of my eye. And then I go in with a pointer brush just to make the color more saturated. This is NYX Liquid Liner in white. I'm going to be doing how I do my eyeliner video, more detail, so stay tuned for that. So I'm not going to show the full clip. Now it's time for lashes. I'm going to be doing a video about that as well. And now I'm just taking a primer and putting it all over my face and acting crazy as usual. And then I'm going to be putting on MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NC45 and pouncing that with the Beauty Blender. I pair this with the powder as well, and then I'm going to take Shape Tape in Tan as concealer and mixing that with LA Girl's Toffee. And I'm blending it out with a mini Beauty Blender. I actually really like this. It gives that airbrush look. And now I'm setting it with my favorite Laura Mercier Perfecting Powder. And to make sure everything blends, I always go back in with the Beauty Blender. And now I'm taking blush to contour my face. Don't Kill Me. They discontinued this blush. It's Full of Joy by MAC. Sorry, I'll find something similar down below for you guys. And now I'm just blending it out, and then I'm going to be taking Anastasia Moon, and I'm going to be using the color Pink Heart. This fun white glitter is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics in the color Excite, and I'm just taking that pointer brush and putting it on the inner corner of my eye. And I'm also using another discontinued product. This is from the MAC Holiday Collection. They're glitters, but there's a lot of glitters out there nowadays that have similar color. I'm gonna try to find something for you guys so you can rock this look. Since this is Coachella inspired, I'm going to be taking the glitter and just dragging it down with a big fluffy brush. And just to marry the two lines together, I'm taking a really tiny brush and just putting the glitter on that. When I put this lip on, I was not recording, so this is me pretending like I was. But the lip is from ColourPop Cosmetics, and it's in the color Lumiere 2. And now I'm just taking these diamonds that I found. They're actually stickers. I got these from AC Moore. And if you are going to Coachella, I suggest that you take eyelash glue and just glue them to your face, because as you saw before, they didn't like to stick on. I had to press really hard. And I'm using that same white liner from before just to draw that line down my lip. And I'm going to be bringing out my wig just to change the look up a bit. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you soon. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Mwah!